Okay, welcome to Rocio's kitchen. Today we're going to learn how to prepare this typical Peruvian dish. Okay, you need maybe 13 minutes to prepare everything, but it's a really good dish. If you come to Peru, you must to taste it. Okay, today we are going to cook arroz con pollo. That's mean rice and chicken is a typical Peruvian dish, and that's the ingredients. Chicken, that is chili, yellow chili. I don't know, I don't remember the name, but you can see in the image. Carrot, coriander, sorry for my accent, I'm not English speaker. And the other green is, I don't remember in English, sorry. Okay, we are going to cook that, rice and chicken, arroz con pollo. Rice and chicken, we're going to mix now the spinach with coriander. This is the spinach, a little bit of yellow chili, but that's the secret. If you don't like the spicy, too much hot, you don't have to put that. But it's mandatory to put the spinach and this coriander, and we're going to mix it. Okay? Let's go. See you with the next step. Okay, this step I call myself chop step because everything is chopped. This the onions chopped in a little bit pieces, the carrots chopped, and this one, the paprika as well is chopped, and this is garlic, liquefied garlic, and of course the chicken is chopped as well. And now we're going to fry everything, but just a little bit, because it's not, in fact, it's not a fried dish. And this is the liquefied of coriander with spinach. Okay, you can see the onion is a little bit crystallized, and she's going to put the garlic, the liquefied garlic as well. You must to fry it a little bit, not too brown. The next step is she's going to put cumin. This is cumin, a little bit of cumin, and if you want pepper as well, but just a little bit. And this is her secret, because I don't used to put tomato, but she's going to put tomato or tomato for the English people. Okay, and it's going to fry as well. This is the secret. Not everybody put tomato. For example, myself, I just put onion. Sal. Wow, ¿no es mucho?
No, así que
Going to put a salt for 1 kilo of rice. It's like for 8 person, because if you put too much salt, it's salty, it will be disaster. And the next step is the liquefied of coriander with spinach.
Espinaca y cilantro, lleva.
Espinaca, cilantro.
Did you wash the rice? Did you wash the rice?
No, claro, que tiene que lavarse. Esto luego ya.
Smell well.
Eso tiene que esperar.
How many times do you fry it, this mix? ¿Cuánto tiempo lo fríes eso?
Hasta que pierde el líquido.
Okay, she say this mix must to dry. I think it's 3 or 4 minutes. Okay. La arveja. I don't remember the name of the arveja.
Y este, no sé.
After the onion. Sorry, the carrot. Do you see? A lot of carrot. It's very healthy food. And the children like as well, because if you offer only the carrots, it's not, they don't want to eat. But you will see, my nephew, he will eat. It's his preferred dish.
Ya.
After the chicken, she's putting the chicken, chop it in a little pieces. Depend how many people do you have at home. The other one? Yeah, todo.
Y ahora una mordidita y ahí dejamos.
And do you let it to boil? ¿Lo dejas eso para hervir o le vas a echar agua?
No, va a hervir todavía un poco.
And she let it to boil it because she says it's more tasty. We're going to put a rice. This rice, the type is elongated. I call myself the arroz largo. It's very common here in Peru, but if you don't have a rice elongated, long rice, you can use the other type as well. Anyway, and it's 1 kilo. Do you remember? 2 liters of water and 1 kilo of rice, and that is the last step. And we're going to let to boil it, and you will see after how is the plate. This rice will boil until dry, all his water, you will see. See you. Okay, this mix was boiling almost 15 minutes in the maximum level of the fire. And at this time, she's going to put the paprika, because this plate is colorful. If you put before, the red one is going to die. So the idea is the paprika must be not to cook, only a little bit, the typical sentence al dente. And do you see, when you start to see the rice, do you put the fire in a minimum, very minimum, because must to be a little bit very elongated time. Is going to cook very slowly at this time. That is the last ingredient and the last. At this time you don't must to touch anything, just to tap the pan and the fire in the minimum. Okay, see you. And do you see? This is the product, rice and chicken. Do you see? Colorful, full of vitamins. A little bit green because we have a lot of spinach. If your child don't want to eat spinach, it's a good idea to eat in this plate. It's very special plate. I like. You can smell. Look it. This is the chicken rice. Okay. Bon appetit.